Greatest Question by Her Grace Sri Devi Mataji. Sri Devi Mataji is associated with ISKCON for since the year 1990, and she's a disciple of His Holiness Giriraj Swami, who is the disciple of A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. And Sri Devi Mataji has worked for corporate sector for almost 25 years, and she has really worked with topmost business conglomerate in the world. And she will present the topic, what is the goal of human life as life's greatest question. So please welcome her with big round of applause. Her Grace, Sri Devi Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnanatirmirandasya Jnananjana Shalakya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So actually I was supposed to speak on the life's greatest question, that is, why are we here for and what's the goal of life? But then Siddhilalsa Mataji told me that there was a lot of misery talk going on for all this while. So I'm curtailing the talk only to the conclusion part. By now you must be all fully convinced and have firm conviction that this material world is not our place. As Krishna says in the Gita, Dukkhalayam Ashashvatam. This is a temporary place of misery. Okay? So now, spiritually, we have to move to the spiritual realm, and there by just reposing our relationship with the Lord and the desire to please the Lord is where our happiness comes from. Krishna is our best friend. There's nobody as close to us as Krishna. That's why he says in the Gita, Suhridam Sarva Bhutanam Hridaya Desha Arjuna Tishtati. Where am I sitting? I'm sitting in your heart. Who's closest to you? Somebody who's sitting in your heart. And that's where the Lord is. And the Lord, at every moment, He is protecting us. Yoga Kshemya Mahamya. He says, I carry what my devotees lack and I preserve what they have. So that's the Lord's closeness to us. Now in the Gita, actually I had to skip a lot of things because Siddhilalsa Mataji said a lot of it has already been spoken. So I'm just speaking to you about the assurances Krishna gives in the Gita. Actually, when you start reading the Gita, with your higher intelligence as human beings and the determination, if you try to read the Gita, you will really understand how many promises Krishna is giving. He is at every moment, he's trying to tell us that I am there with you. Like when Arjuna was confused with the different paths, he said, Sarva dharman parityajya Mamekam sharanam vraja aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshishyami ma sujah. He said, Arjuna, just depend on me. Forget all these things that I spoke to you, and I shall take you out of all the sufferings for which you're going through. So this is an assurance. Again in 18.65, Krishna says, Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyajimam namaskaru mamevashasi satyam te pratijano priyosime. See, there's again an assurance he's giving. Then he says, A Brahma bhuvana loka punar avartino Arjuna mam upetya kaunteha punar janmana vidyate. Right from the highest planet to the lowest planet, it's fraught with misery. But if you surrender to me, you don't have to come to this material world. So that's the most wonderful thing that the Lord is speaking in the Gita all through. And then he speaks about his abode. He says, Nadat pasyate suryo, nat shashanko na pavaka, yad katvana nivartante, tad dhama parabhama. Once you come there, my abode is not illumined by fire, electricity, sun or moon. But once you reach there, you will never come back to this material world.